Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. This is journal 3 of my Etsy restock, and this one is quite a large one. It measures about 9¼ inches high by 6¼ inches wide, and it's about 2 inches thick. I've got lots of papers in this journal. It's tied with seam binding to keep it closed. And on the side, I've got some little charms and ribbon that I attached with the lobster claw. So again, like the other journals, you can always remove this if you wanted to attach it to your purse or on another album. I've got 5 stitched signatures in this journal, and you can see the stitching on the side. And this is made with a pink duct tape type binding. And here's the back. I didn't put any images in this album again. It's a floral theme, but it can be used for pretty much anything. So let me just open this journal. And here's the first page and the first signature. Beautiful paper. Again, I can't remember what the name of the pad was, but this was from K & Company. And I tea stained and ironed some of the pages. I've got some lined sheets in here, and also some more scrapbook designer paper that you can attach photos and mementos to. And this was some writing paper. So I've got quite a variety in this journal. I've got some graph paper, more tea stain paper. And again, this is an image that can be doodled in, colored in, and I have a little plastic pouch, and I've stitched on the side. So I'll just go through it quickly, because there's quite a few pages in here, just to show you the papers. It's gorgeous. And there's a pocket here. I've got some butterflies in there. Again, here's another doodling image. And here you can journal, and this is a little pouch. I used an envelope to make this. Put a photo back there. I really like this style of journal because there's so much different textures and a variety of papers. And the emphasis is on journaling, so there's lots of room for writing. You can also stamp in here. I didn't include any stamping. That way it can be used for whatever the person desires. So it's flowers and butterflies. This is gorgeous, gorgeous paper. There's a little bit of glitter on this side. I don't know if you can see that. And some of these papers were from different stacks. I find by using a whole variety, you can customize your albums so they look different. That is your journals, not your albums. There's the last signature. I love this drawing paper. That was from an adult coloring book, and I decided to incorporate that in there because sometimes when you're journaling it's fun to doodle. And there's the last page, and I'll show you a close-up of the little dangle here. I've got some beads on there. This was from some pieces of jewelry that I had found, and I've got a little heart. And then on the ribbons I've got this larger dangle and a bead. So I'll be listing this in my Etsy shop. I hope you have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.